Hey guys, welcome back in another video. So in this one we are looking at this Euro USD minute 5 chart, and here I also have this open Euro USD M1 and Euro USD H1. So actually I have these three charts always open in my MetaTrader window. So this one is just so I look what's happening in between these big candles actually. So this is just like the footprint, trading footprint. I You might have seen some videos about the trading footprint. Let me just tell you what it looks like actually, and I think also you would have already have searched for free footprint charts, or Omar Ashraf, he usually do posts about footprint charts. Just let me give you an example. Let's just search for that. Okay, and here, yeah, you can see this this is
Reading order flow, it's kind of like an art. There's a lot of different elements that we as traders need.
this is actually order flow. Let me just search for a footprint video. Like, these are footprint charts. Okay, so how footprint charts are usable, you can actually see that what happened in each candle. So it's better, you must need to go deeply inside each big candle. So for that purpose I can't buy, and also most people that watch my videos, they are like beginners and they can't buy a subscription plan for either any charting software, or like software for footprints. So they are all paid. So for this you must need to open the M1 chart, and this is these lines. You can see, you can go to insert objects, and from here cycle lines, and then in the settings of the cycle lines you can see I have these three cycle lines. This one is for the R green one. You can see this, from this green one to this green one, this is like a whole R, and I have divided further into 15 minutes, then 30 minutes. This yellow line tells me that 30 minutes have proceeded, and then 45, and then a whole hour. And so yeah, and from here I can say that or started here, 15 minutes have passed, and it's almost like 20-25 minutes. No, it's 20. Okay, and this is the chart where I see the bigger picture of what's going on in the market of specific forex pair, or a crypto pair, or anything stock. So for that must need to visualize the bigger picture, and I would not say just don't go so deep. So for that, like this, you can see and like this. So this is an R1. Let's open the day one chart and see, and let's see what's the pattern in what's the pattern that's formed after the start of the year. So for this, let's just enter the date here, and that would be 1 2024. You can see here, and let's from here draw a line. Parameters 1 1 4 way. Okay, yeah. So you can see from here over from here this year started, and the trend, let's just ignore all this for now. And from here you can see that first the trend was down, then it was like up down, like it's in a downward trend, if you can see. Okay, so it's like in this type, this is the range of this trend. And if you really want to draw a trend line, you can draw it like that. Okay, so yes, so there we have this this and in a downtrend, the start of a pullback can be, this is like the support, and this becomes resistance. So you can say that from here that the next major pullback can happen. And okay, let's just now draw trend lines actually. This is okay, this is this, and now this is this. From here we can draw a trend line, and you can like set it here, like this might be the manipulation of the market makers. So just wait, you can see this is exactly manipulation, or this might be a sport anyway. And you can see that okay, might be the market is now in a consolidation zone, but we would have to wait. If like we cannot trade every time in the market, just trade when the market gives you the strategies to trade, and like when things are visible. Just don't trade every time, wait for perfect moment. And it might be in consolidation. Okay, you can see this, it hit from here and then again come back. Like this is the support level, and you can see it also tried to break the support level, but in the retest it failed, it didn't pass. So again it's now in the it might here it again hit the support level, and I think it's also retested. It might go upwards now. It it is an upward trend from here, and with this line at this point, or it may like go at that point and then come back just like here. So actually we can you can see this a doji formed here. So so it was like a proper the market told you properly that the interest in the uptrend is over now, and from here the trend reversed, like so. Yeah, it makes sense. But from here there are many chances that the market is going up. Okay, market is going up. Now this visualization we made in the daily chart. So let's take these trend lines to our this minute 5 chart. Okay, so let's see what happens next. And for that I would go here, and then templates. Where are my templates? Just give me 1 minute. So you can see we got our trend lines there. Okay, so let's just go 5 minutes and do the last of the chart. And okay, just let me get bigger for you so you can see it properly. So okay, and here is our, this was like the start of the year, and this is okay. So now we have these two charts, and this is minute 5 actually. Okay, now we got our trend for this year. Now let's get the trend lines and the major levels, price levels for the for the for this month, that is May. And for that I would like to create this vertical line, then parameters 5, this it's 5 and it's 1, next goes 0 0. Yeah, and here we got this. Okay, so this is the chart for this month, what's going on in this month. Let's just get it 5-15 minutes. Okay, so you can see this I told you from there, I tried to break this level of sport, but it retested again, but it went for a retest, and the retest almost failed. You can see it didn't, like, it crossed from here, but like it was so, if the retest was exactly from this point, okay, then we could get into the trade, get into this short trade. But you can see it, like, in the consolidating, even in this minute 15 chart. So, like, there was an indecision between the buyers and the sellers, and then it went down. But again, we need to wait for retest even after the consolidation. So then it crossed. So you can see that, then again it's in this consolidation zone. I told you that has started, that we made for on the year chart. Okay, so now let's make support resistance key levels for our month. This can be a support level because the price started from here, like we have this level and this level, that's the price is actually fluctuating around, and we have this level, and this is a major resistance level. Yes, this is actually, this can be a, this was previously a resistance, then it got break, and now it's acting as a support. So let's just raise these two lines, and okay, uh, now let's make our these horizontal lines, one right here and the other one right here. Okay, so actually we can name these two weekly key levels and these two yearly key levels. Okay, so let's get into objects, and here we have this and this. Monthly key levels here. uh, we have these monthly key levels. Let's also write it in the description, so you can see we have here on the chart monthly key levels. That would really help us so we don't confuse on minute 5 time frame. But that, because we can't visualize the whole chart, screen is big. But if you have like a curved display, a big display like 180 display, then it might help you, but still you would need this one. So make full use of this description tab. And let's in the properties we can write just copy this one. Okay, now these are yearly key levels. Just unset all of these, and this one is for the start of this month, I think 42352, and this one is, let's just get into properties and see. Yes, this one is yearly, year start line. Let's copy this one to this, and we can write here monthly start line. Okay, now we have done all the annotations, and it would be easy for us. And now let's dive deeper that what we got. So here we had this downtrend, down movement, this this. Okay, a flag, then down movement again, hit the support went up, and before hitting it resistance it went down. Alright, alright. So actually we got a flag there. Okay, these are like three bottom, three tops. If you can see, then price try to move down to the. Okay, alright. So we can also see like this consolidation over here, and then it broke. Now let's get into 5 minutes time frame. You can see then that from here it went up, and this again consolidation zone, and now it's trying to move down. Okay, so now in the next video I would share you how you can on the basis of the volume traded in each candle. Okay, like we would dive deeper into it. We are not going to use like strategies that print out on the screen to buy or sell. We are not going to use anything like that, but instead we would use the major ones like moving average, and those now those are important. The most people that say about like things are the what's actually the thing. Actually the strategies are not considered good with just print out buy and sell, but if you know how the strategy is working and then you apply it, then it's of good. It can really help you in your trades and like that. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you in the next video.